Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll provide step-by-step guide on how to submit a request when you discover a problem during testing or while filling your forms. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into the system at Instafill.ai. Navigate to the Filled Forms tab and open the form where you notice the issue. Give it a second to load. At the bottom right corner of the screen, click the flag Incorrect Fields button. This will open the form in problem reporting mode. Now scroll down to the field where you found the issue or mismatch. Next, locate the red Select Area tool in the top toolbar. Grab the tool and drag it over the field with the problem. Quick tip here, you can resize or move the selected area to match the size and placement of the field, or even a group of fields you want to report. When you're done, click the Edit button in the top right corner of the selected area. Here in the opened window, you can add a detailed description of what's wrong, then hit Save. If you found more than one problem in the form, simply scroll through and repeat the process for each issue. When you're finished, click the Submit button at the right side of the top toolbar, and that's it. Your report is sent. Our team will get to work on fixing it.